In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add screenshots and websites to Google Keep to help you stay organized with the information you find online. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by navigating to any website of your choice. For this demonstration, you can use a site that you visit frequently or one where you found information that you'd like to keep handy. This initial step is important because once you're on the website, everything else stems from there. Next, look up at your browser and locate the extension bar, which is typically found at the top right corner of most web browsers. This is where all your installed extensions live. You'll see several icons there representing the extensions you've added over time. If you don't already have the Keep extension, you'll need to install it, which is a simple process via your browser's extension store. Once you've successfully accessed the extension bar, the next step is to find the Keep extension icon from among the others. It should be represented by the Keep logo, which if you hover over, will usually say something like Google Keep. Click on that icon to launch the extension interface right on your screen. When the Keep extension opens, you'll see options to add a note or a reminder, but what we're interested in right now is saving the web page you're on. Click the button to add a note. Doing this automatically drafts a new note with the link to the website you're visiting. This means you don't have to manually copy and paste the URL, making the process very efficient. With the website link drafted in your Keep interface, take a moment to add any additional notes or thoughts that might help you remember why this website was important in the first place. This could be a summary, key points, or just a quick reminder. Once you've entered everything you want in the note, look for the Create or Save button. Clicking this will save your note directly to your Google Keep account, and all the information, including the website link, will now be stored safely for future reference. The final step is to navigate to the Google Keep app or website, where you'll be able to see your new note alongside any other notes you've saved. Check that the link is correctly saved in the note and everything appears as it should. And there you have it, an efficient way to save websites and relevant notes directly to Google Keep, helping you maintain an organized digital system for all the interesting content you find online. Whether it's for work, study, or personal interests, this method is sure to make